Last class, we have seen radial equation and reduced radial equation in spherical coordinate. Here, we are going to see in detail about the angular equation in spherical coordinate. And here, I like to highlight, I am going to transform this angular part of the equation into associate Legendre differential equation. So advantage of using Legendre associate Legendre differential equation is we can use the standard solution for the associate Legendre differential equation. So that is the highlight of this lecture. So go through this lecture fully. Here, as I explained in the previous section, both side will have common constant because changing the left hand side, this is purely depends on R. So nothing will happen to the right hand side and vice versa. So we have defined a common constant L into L plus 1. Now you take the angular part, that is yellow color part, which is at the uh, right hand side. So this is equal to L into L plus 1. Of course, here you have Y. Uh, I am going to multiply both right hand side and left hand side Y. Remember that here Y comes because I have taken this Y and this Y outside. So here also you will have Y. Now here the terms inside the curly bracket is by definition is equal to minus L squared over H cross squared, and of course you have Y outside, which is equal to L into L plus 1 Y. Now minus of minus naturally will become plus. So you forgot it. Now when L squared operate on Y you can see is a function of theta and pi. Is it will gives and you can bring this H cross square to the right hand side, then it will become L into L plus 1 H cross squared and Y L M, which is the function of theta and pi. Now we got that when momentum squared operator act on Y, it gives you L into L plus 1 H cross squared Y. That is the eigenvalue is L into L plus 1 H cross squared. So eigenvalue for L squared operator is L into L plus 1 H cross squared. Now again you take the angular equation which is given as minus 1 over sine theta delta over delta theta sine theta delta over delta theta plus 1 over sine squared theta delta 2 over delta pi 2 y is equal to L into L plus 1 y. Now for further separation, replace y equal to delta because y is a function of theta and pi. We are going to separate it into theta part and pi part separately and divide by theta and pi. So first replace y as theta pi. So now you can bring this theta pi inside. If you bring inside, here only theta dependence, that is derivative with respect to theta. So pi is a constant. You can take pi outside and theta will come over here. Similarly for second term, this derivative is with respect to pi. So this will become pi and theta I am taking out theta which is equal to minus L into L plus 1 but theta pi. So now you divide this by theta pi. So this will become 1 because you are dividing by theta pi. And what about this first term? If you divide by theta pi, pi will get cancelled, you will get 1 over theta. Similarly, if you divide this by theta over theta pi. Theta will can cancelled. Pi pi you will get 1 over pi because theta is cancelled. So delta 2 pi over delta pi squared, which is equal to minus L into L plus 1. So now we got this expression. You can take it. This is a known standard m squared. This is equal to m squared by definition. M squared magnetic quantum number. This is 1 over pi delta 2 over pi over sorry delta 2 pi over delta pi 2 is m squared. So now you replace it by m squared, you will get m squared over sine squared theta minus m squared over sine squared theta, and bring this minus L into L plus 1 to the right hand left hand side. So this will become plus L into L plus 1 minus this one, and I am keeping this as it is. Now you can see you have only theta term, no pi term. So you multiply this equation by theta. This theta will go away. In the first term, theta will go away. In second term, you will get theta, which is equal to 0. This is called angular equation in spherical coordinate. This is angular equation in spherical coordinate. Now we will transform it into Legendre associate Legendre differential equation. So this is the angular equation. I'm going to convert it into standard integral form, that is associate Legendre differential equation. For that, what I am going to do is let x is equal to cos theta. So x varies between -1 to +1. Then if you differentiate x with respect to theta, then you will get dx by d theta is equal to minus sine theta. So from this we will get, you bring this dx to other side, you will get d over d theta is equal to minus sine theta d over dx, because I brought this dx to the other side. Now you replace, if you replace first theta d over d theta by minus sine theta multiplied by d by dx. So here you have sine theta, here also sine theta. So minus sine theta. So sine theta will get cancelled. You will get only d over dx. You do the similar thing for this d over d theta, which is minus sine theta d theta over dx, because I am converting it into this form. So similarly, I am keeping this as it is, second term as it is. That is plus L into L plus 1 minus m square over sine square theta theta, which is equal to 0. So finally we got this expression. Now inside the bracket you have sine into minus sine theta, which is minus sine square theta. So by our definition, x is equal to cos theta. That's what we have taken, cos theta. Then here you are getting sine squared theta minus sine squared theta, in fact. So sine squared theta can be written as 1 by cos squared theta. Cos is x, so 1 minus x squared. Of course, we have this negative sign, 1 minus x squared. T theta over tx, because I have made this partial derivative into full derivative, as we have only theta dependent term in the equation, no pi dependent. So plus L into L plus 1 minus m squared over this sine squared theta is 1 minus x squared, that is 1 minus cos squared theta. Theta multiplied by theta is equal to 0. Now you differentiate the first term. You keep the 1 minus x squared as it is. Then you differentiate the second term. So you will get minus of minus will become plus. that is 1 minus x squared. It will become 1 minus x squared t2 theta over tx. Similarly, you keep this derivative as it is and differentiate with this 1 minus x squared. Remember that there is a negative sign here. So, if you differentiate this, if you differentiate one constant, it will be 0. If you differentiate x squared, you will get minus 2x. Here already one minus, so this will become just 2x. And remember that there is negative sign outside. So this will become minus 2x t theta over tx. And I am keeping this term as it is plus L into L plus 1 minus m squared over 1 minus x squared multiplied by theta, which is equal to 0. This is associated differential equation. Why we are converting this in this form is we can use, this is the standard result. We can utilize the result obtained for associated Legendre differential equation. So I have given already one lecture in Griffith problem section that how to construct the uh, solution for angular equation. I have given that link in the pinned comment. If you like this lecture, kindly subscribe it. Also share it. Join my channel for the growth of my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video and supporting me continuously. Thank you very much.